Hello children, let us start with practice set 5.3. Question 1. Diagonals of a rectangle ABCD intersect at point O. If AC equals to 8 cm, then find BO, and if angle CAD equals to 35 degree, then find angle ACB. Solution: AC equals to 8 cm given. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Therefore, BD equals to AC are equal. BD is given 8 centimeter as AC equals to 8 centimeter. BO equals to half of BD, that is diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Therefore, BO equals to half of 8 equals to 4 centimeter. Side AD is parallel to BC and segment AC is their transversal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel. Therefore, angle ACB equals to angle CAD pair of alternate angle. ACB equals to 35 degree as CAD equals to 35 degree. Therefore, BO equals to 4 centimeter and ACB equals to 35 degree. Question 2. In a rhombus PQRS, if PQ equals to 7.5 centimeter, then find QR. If angle QPS 75 degree, then find the measures of angle PQR and angle SRQ. Solution: PQ equals to 7.5 given. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus, means all sides are equal. Therefore, QR equals to PQ. So, value of QR will be equal to 7.5 as all sides in a rhombus are equal. Angle QPS is given 75 degree. Therefore, angle QPS plus angle PQR equals to 180 degree. The reason for the same, adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. Substituting the value of angle QPS 75 degree plus angle PQR equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PQR equals to 180 minus 75 degree equals to 105 degree. So, angle PQR equals to 105 degree. Angle SRQ equals to angle QPS, opposite angles of a rhombus, they are equal. So, angle SRQ equals to 75 degree. So, what we have found out in this example, QR equals to 7.5 centimeter, angle PQR equals to 105 degree and angle SRQ equals to 75 degree. Next question 3. Diagonals of a square IJKL intersects at point M. Find the measures of angle IMJ, angle JIK and angle LJK. Quadrilateral IJKL is a square given. Therefore, segment IK perpendicular segment JL. These are nothing but the diagonals of a square which are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle IMJ equals to 90 degree. Angle JIL is 90 degree angle of a square. Angle JIK equals to half of angle JIL. Diagonals of a square bisect the opposite angles. Therefore, angle JIK equals to half of 90 degrees, that is half of JIL. that is JIK equals to 45 degree. JIK is 45 degree. Angle IJK equals to 90 degree. Angle of a square. Next, LJK equals to half of angle IJK. Diagonals of a square bisect the opposite angles, again the same reason. So angle LJK equals to half of 90 degree equals to 45 degree. So in this problem we have found out angle LJK equals to 90 degree, angle JIK equals to 45 degree, angle LJK equals to 45 degree. Next question, question 4. Diagonals of a rhombus are 20 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively. Then find the sides of a rhombus and its perimeter. So diagonals are 20 and 21. So let quadrilateral ABCD be the rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So AC equals to 20 centimeter and BD equals to 21 centimeter. AO equals to half of AC equals to half of 20 equals to 10 centimeter. Reason, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Similarly, BO equals to half of BD equals to half of 21 equals to 21 by 2. You can write as 10.5 centimeter also. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Now, in triangle AOB, triangle AOB, OA we have calculated 10, OB we have calculated above 21.2. So apply, an angle is of 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem. We will get AB square equals to AO square plus BO square by Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the value of OA as 10 and OB as 21 by 2. Simplify this, you will get AB square equals to 841 upon 4. Taking square root on both the sides, AB equals to root of 841 upon 4. Root of 841 is 29 and root of 4 is 2. So it will be 29 upon 2 equals to 14.5 centimeter. Next in this problem only, perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD. In a rhombus, you know, all sides are equal. So 4 times any side, that is AB taken here. So 4 into value of side is 14.5 equals to 58 centimeters. So perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD, that is rhombus, is 58 centimeter. Answer, the side and perimeter of the rhombus are 14.5 centimeter and 58 centimeter respectively. Next question 5. State with reasons whether the following statements are true or false. Every parallelogram is a rhombus. Every parallelogram is a rhombus. False. Why? Because in rhombus all sides are equal and in parallelogram only opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Next, every rhombus is a rectangle. This is also false. The reason behind that, what we have to write? All the angles of a rectangle are congruent, while the opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. When it will be a quadrilateral rectangle, when each angle is of 90 degree. Third, every rectangle is a parallelogram. Rectangle is a parallelogram. True. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and congruent. Also, its opposite angles are congruent. In rectangle, the opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel and congruent, and also all its angles are congruent. Therefore, every rectangle is a parallelogram. True. Next, every square is a rectangle. Here again it is true. The opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel and congruent. Also, all its angles are congruent. All the sides of a square are parallel and congruent. Also, all its angles are congruent. Therefore, every square is a rectangle. Next, every square is a rhombus. True. All the sides of a rhombus are congruent. Also, its diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. All the sides of a square are congruent. Also, its diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Therefore, it is every square is a rhombus is true. Next, every parallelogram is a rectangle. False. All the angles of a rectangle are congruent, while the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next video, we are going to study next exercise. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you.